This example explains about the CSS property align items and its each possible values like flex start, flex end, center, baseline and stretch. Body element is the root element of all visible contents. All the visible elements on the page appended inside the body element. Div is the building block of the page. It is used to create the small rectangular area on page, in which other elements like images, paragraphs, anchors, etc. can be displayed. It is the container element for other elements. Div is most important tag because nowadays most of the parts in the page is being built by div tag. Adding the parent container div along with 4 child items inside it. Adding first child element to the container div element with specific size and color. Adding second child element to the container div element with specific size and color. Adding third child element to the container div element with specific size and color. Adding fourth child element to the container div element with specific size and color. Style tag is used to define the style properties of the HTML elements. Instead of using inline styles, we can include style properties in style tags so that the complexity can be reduced in the document, such as duplicating the style properties and more style code in tag itself. Adding the common styles for all child div elements inside parent div with ID container. Border is the style property which creates the border for element. The value of this property usually contains 3 parameters separated by space. The first parameter defines border width, second one defines border style, and third one indicates border color. Adding the styles to the parent div element to make it as the flex container. The display property specifies how the div going to be displayed. Whether it is a block or flex container or table cell, etc. Here the value is flex. This value is used to make the div as the flex container. The CSS Flex Wrap property specifies whether flex items are forced into a single line or can be wrapped onto multiple lines. Here the value is wrap. Wrap is used to break the flex items into multiple lines. This block has the align items property with its each possible value. Please look at the preview to understand how the values are creating impact on the page. Flex end is one of the possible values to the align items property. It is used to align the items towards bottom of the line of items. And also lines are aligned to the bottom of flex container div. Flex start is one of the possible values to the align items property. It is used to align the items towards top of the line of items. And also lines are aligned towards top of the flex container div. Center is one of the possible values to the align items property. It is used to align the items towards the center of the line of items. And also lines are aligned to the center of flex container div. Baseline is one of the possible values to the align items property. It is used to align the items towards the bottom of the line. Stretch is one of the possible values to the align items property. It is used to stretch items to use the remaining space of line. Please subscribe the channel for more videos.